Hi, it's Klarisa and today we're going to be making one recipe from the book of fast food substitutes at home. And we're going to be making some white rice, pasta with optional chicken and mushroom sauce. Take the chicken, wash it, and then we're going to put it in the bowl and cook it until it's greatly cooked, and we're going to add it in the sauce. So I would recommend to take some herbs from the garden and put it in the meal. Then wash the chicken and start cutting it piece by piece and put it in the bowl to cook. So now we have put the chicken to cook. So now we will be starting to prepare the mushrooms by cutting them. So the next step is to just cut the carrots and prepare the mushrooms. Cut them and then put them in the bowl and cook them. So now we need to wash the mushrooms and we need to cut them. It's cooking greatly. Here we have the carrots in a bowl. So let's cut the mushrooms now. So I always make sure to cut off the stems of the mushrooms and any nasty things, you know. And then you just cut them like you would. And now put water on it, some salt, and just cook it for the sauce. So let me show you the pasta that is cooked in like 2 to 3 minutes. So let's check now on the carrots. So it's all cooked already. Let's make the noodles now. So we're going to be placing them in this big bowl and leaving them for 2 to 3 minutes. And a pro tip is to take the steaming hot water from the mushrooms and the carrots that we steamed and put it on the noodles so the taste will be better. So now just take the water from the and you need to leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. So now let's get started on the sauce. For the sauce we're going to be using this coconut yogurt. And so a pro tip with this is to just use some water that is left over from the chicken and put in the sauce, so the taste will be from the chicken. So the sauce, we have the herbs here that we're going to be cutting them and preparing the sauce. So just cut the herbs a little bit and put the sauce on the stove. So for the sauce we're going to see, we have chicken, we have the water from the chicken, we're going to add in the mushrooms and the carrots and then the coconut yogurt and spices, and this is with the sauce, and this is the noodles that are now cold. You need to wash them in water.